Chief 8-8 Charlie, you're going to follow a Seminole on the left downwind. They'll be turning base here over the blue water tank in a moment.
Look with the traffic, 8-8 Charlie.
Number 8-8 Charlie, S-turns approved if you need them. Traffic to follow is joining final ahead of you about a mile 600.
I haven't been inside 8-8 Charlie. And I'm cycling gear and I don't have a green light on my right side.
Number 8-8 Charlie, Roger, do you like a low pass and let me check it out?
Yes, sir, if you could do that, 8-8 Charlie.
8-8 Charlie, Roger, you can plan for that, and I'll let you know on the low approach. You said that's your right main?
Affirmative, 8-8 Charlie.
November 8-8 Charlie, Roger. We'll have a look here in just a second. Number 2 and runway 12, correction, runway 4 cleared low approach.
Clear for the low approach on runway 4, 8-8 Charlie.
November 8-8 Charlie, as you do go on your low approach, there's a Cherokee just off the departure end. They're going to make right traffic and they're going to be turning crossing at the river. You can just plan to follow them, please.
I'll be looking for that traffic, 8-8 Charlie.
November 8-8 Charlie, your right main does not appear to be down. The flap is, yeah, I'm not seeing the right main at all. It's still, yeah, the right main is still stuck in the up position, it looks like. What would you like to do?
I'm going to go out here and try to cycle it out, head west for a little bit, and then I'll let you know when I come back in.
8-8 Charlie, Roger. Vero Beach altimeter is 3021. The only traffic I have is currently over the VOR. It's a Hawker inbound for runway 12. There's more targets out there, but I'm not talking to any of them. Just use caution, and you can proceed on course out to the west. And then if anything we can do, just don't hesitate to ask.
8-8 Charlie, thanks.
Air Flight 769, contact ground.
Contact ground, Flight 769. It looks like his gear door is open, but gear also looked up from here on ECHO.
Yep, November 8-8 Charlie, you copy?
Affirmative, 8-8 Charlie, thanks.
You got it. Cherokee 17 Delta, extend downwind. I'll call your base for departures and arrivals.
Extend downwind, you call my base, 17 Delta.
Vero Beach Tower, sky flight 429, 7 miles west of the field, 1,500 feet, request inbound for touch and go.
Flight 429, unable pattern work, remain outside Class Delta airspace.
Outbound 584 Mike Juliet, switching for the RNAV 4, low approach.
For 584 Mike Juliet, Vero Beach Tower, missed approach instructions, flighting 040, maintain 2,000 on the miss, continue. Traffic 11 o'clock in a mile and a half, 2,000, type unknown, southeastbound.
Vero Beach flight, no factor. So this is 040, climb 2,000.
Vero Beach Tower, sky flight 553, about 8 miles or 7 miles to the northeast of the airport, with Delta requesting a full stop.
Flight 553, Vero Beach Tower, remain outside Class Delta airspace.
Remain outside Class Delta, sky flight 553.
November 8-8 Charlie, runway 4, cleared low approach. There is a Challenger on about a mile and a half final for runway 12 right. They'll be landing, so you can just start your go around. Whatever you need to do actually for them. I don't know how low you need to be, but whatever you need to do is fine, and we'll give it a look as well.
8-8 Charlie, thanks.
Traffic inside for Skyflight 429.
Air Flight 429, Roger, runway 4, clear to land number 2.
Runway 4 clear to land number 2, sky flight 429.
Sky Flight 553, number 3, runway 4, clear to land.
Number 3, clear to land, sky flight 553.
Good afternoon, Vero Tower, citation 62 Whiskey Alpha with you for the visual 12 right. We are told to keep 180 knots and square for a 5-mile final.
62 Whiskey Alpha, Vero Beach Tower, Roger. There's numerous aircraft landing and departing runway 4 currently, and just report a 3-mile final for runway 12 right, speed your discretion.
All right, we will report a 3-mile final for runway 12 right, speed our discretion, 2 Whiskey Alpha.
November 8-8 Charlie, still looks the same from here. Your the door appears to be open, the gear door, but the landing gear is stuck up.
Thanks, 8-8 Charlie. I'm going to go back up and confer with company.
Roger, November 8-8 Charlie. Proceed on course out to the west if you need to, or is that where you want to go?
Yeah, we're going to go out there for just a moment until we can figure out what we're going to do.
November 8-8 Charlie, Roger. The only traffic is 10 o'clock and about 2 miles, 1,200. It's a company Seneca departing out to the northwest, and there's also a citation inbound from the northwest, actually about 5 miles, 2,100 getting set up for runway 12 right.
All right, I've got the Seneca, 8-8 Charlie.
Seneca down X-ray Mike, traffic 11 o'clock in a mile and a half, 1,900 citation, lining up for runway 12 right.
Traffic inside, no factor 499, show Mike.
November 2 Whiskey Alpha, runway, I don't know if I cleared you or not, but runway 12 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 12 right, 2 Whiskey Alpha.
Just got flight 553. There is citation inbound for runway 12 right. Just be ready for a possible go around. We'll see how the spacing works out.
No problem, Sky Flight 553.
Wind 05012, gust 16.
Crash 3 plus 2, we're at Fire Station 3. Where exactly did you want us to respond?
Crash 3 plus 2, they are going to attempt to land on runway 4. They are 10 miles southwest of the airport. They're maneuvering and they're trying to get set up on final. So I don't know how long it's going to take them to get in, but wherever you would stage for runway 4.
Crash, I understand. Looks like we got aircraft coming on both sides of us. I'll probably just go ahead and go to Charlie and Alpha.
Crash 3, you said you want to use ARF Road, Alpha Charlie?
That's correct, and we'll stage at Alpha and Charlie.
Crash 3, roger, that's approved as requested. You can proceed via the ARF Road, Crash 3 plus company. You proceed via the ARF Roads and Alpha. Stage wherever you need to stage.
Airfield on Crash 3, are they going to do any kind of flyover before they land?
Crash 3 plus company, Vero Beach ground. They've already done a couple of flyovers, so I'm not sure what their intentions are when they come back in.
Crash, I understand.
Tower, Cheatham 3588, Charlie.
Cheatham 3588, Charlie, Vero Beach Tower.
Looks like we're going to be coming in, gear up. Request runway 4, I've got information, echo. I'm about 1010 miles to the southwest.
Cheatham 3588, Charlie, roger. Make straight in runway 4, we got EMS and fire standing by. How many people you got on board?
Just me, and there's about 75 gallons worth of fuel.
Copy, thank you.
Crash 3, they are 5 miles southwest of the field at about 100 knots, so if you need to reposition to Alpha 1, is that what you prefer?
I was just going to get out of everybody's way here.
Clear to land, the wind 040 at 9er, gust 16.
Thanks, 88 Charlie.
88 Charlie, we do got 3 fire trucks standing by for you. They're going to be on the west side of the, they're going to be on the east side of the field at Alpha 1, and they're going to assist you on landing.
Very well. Hopefully we won't need them. 88 Charlie.
Roger that. Number 88 Charlie, you are number 1 to land, the wind 040 at 7, gust 16, altimeter 3022.
022, 88 Charlie.
Crash 3, that's the aircraft on short final there.
Crash, I understand.